Building a $400 PC, 1TB drive, Pentium Anniversary Edition, 4 gigs of RAM, couldn't afford anything better. A Radeon R7 260X, good graphics card, cheap motherboard, and a cheap case. Okay, quick unboxing. Here we have the motherboard. Take it out of the tape. Like that. Thank you. Okay. So, here we go. The Pentium Anniversary Edition. Let's do this. Wait, sorry, here's the box. So, we get the processor, the top, and the cooler inside the box. There, okay? Whoa. Cool. HyperX. Okay, so now installation of the CPU. There we go. Pop that out. So now, take the CPU, take it out of this plastic, like this. We align, actually, there's triangles there. We align the triangle with, there we go. So now, pull this back, and wait, don't hold on. Put a little bit of force down into it, and there we go. CPU is installed. Now, installing the cooler from Intel. There we go. Plug in the fan header here. There we go. And push down on these tabs. 1, 1, 2, 3. Installation of the RAM. Very simple. You push these things and you slide it in like that. Okay, so after about an hour trying to fit the stupid motherboard inside the case, we finally finished. So now, cables. Bunch of freaking cables. Okay. Nothing super interesting, but just gonna put it in here. So. Okay, so now we grab the cord, the cable that comes with the hard drive, and we install that. And let's see a sec. Yeah. Now we add power. Done. Okay, so now a quick unboxing of the graphics card. Comes in a nice white box. Looks so nice. The R7 260X Asus Double Fan Edition. Whatever. Forgot, it comes with these things. And done. The graphics card is installed. Now all it needs is power. Finished. Okay guys, so it's the moment of truth. We're gonna turn it on. Let's see if my hard work. Okay, everything seems to be, it's on at least. So there we go. Let's see. That, yes. Yay. Okay. So now we wait until Windows, because this takes a long time.